Okay, here's task 4, given that we timed out after the task 3. So, task 4 involved this small little calculator that we're going to use. So I'm going to start with the second row and go ahead and just fill in some stuff here. Just typing stuff in. Okay, here we're almost done. We'll fill this down, take advantage of not having to type those in again. Okay, so just going to bold that, bold this, just noticing that that's bolded, and I'm going to have to center this. I think this was bolded and right aligned. And this, I believe, is bold and centered. Select the entire sheet. Click on a separator between two adjacent column labels just so that things are spaced out nicely. Now, I believe in here is going to be my answer. So I want to put my first calculator. What I want to do is I want to take this and merge and center it over those columns, bold it, or bold, fill, change the color, and I'm going to build some background here. I'm going to put a border, a thick outside border. You'll notice that you can't see the top of the left border. It's just hidden. So if I hit and insert a column to the left and insert in a row to the above the first row, I see that this border is going all the way around. I think this wanted to be filled with blue, and I think this had to be gray, and I think this also had to be gray. All right, so the only thing that we need to do next is put in the formula. So I'm going to type in the result. The sum is that cell plus this cell, and the difference is that cell subtract that cell, and the product is this cell times this cell. And raised to the exponent is that cell raised to character. It's above the 6th key on the keyboard. That cell. And follow division would be that cell divided by this cell. I think that's pretty much what we needed to accomplish. So I'll stop the video there and wish you a great night. Thank you.